All right, we are in Puerto Rico. Jax, that is the carnival ship. And this is our ship over here. Oh, Divisoria na naman sa Puerto Rico. Oh, it's over there by the Do we look like tourists?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone here is a tourist.
You sure about that?
Yes. You see everyone with their like passes.
Oh, where's Jax?
Jax.
Wala tayong magag.
Oh, we can take a photo of our ship from over there.
Oh, we need to get a magnet. Babe, kailangan natin ng magnet. Hopefully it doesn't cost like $18. Just like when we were in Bahamas, they were charging us $18 for a magnet. Yeah.
Smells like we're in the Philippines.
Yeah. The heat. I love it. Yeah.
Slow.
She's taking video, I'm pretty sure.
No, she's looking at her map.
No, we're supposed to.
Where's the sign?
Aren't we supposed to wait for Tina Osan? Why are we here? What's happening here? Is there an event here?
Sign? Yeah.
What sign?
I love the other sign.
Oh, this is the map.
Hey, so you guys want to do a tour?
Carnival. Saan natin ito yun? Oh look, Charlie, cat with a hat. You see it?
Very cute.
Yeah. Yeah,
I want to take a swim.
I know. Huh?
Ulan.
Yeah, it's good.
Look, you can go back in the
Oh, magnets.
You choose. Yeah. What do you want? They're known for.
Come take the video for you guys. So which one you guys? Let's just buy one. I like the guitar one. Hindi ba ito? Right, this one. Because it's the flag, right? It's the actual
It's a
flag.
bottle opener.
Oh, it's a bottle
You
opener.
can open a bottle.
Oh, I see, yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, that
Make
one.
sure
Get something
it
with the
sticks.
The bottle.
Make sure it sticks.
Get something with the bag.
Okay. Yes, this is Puerto Rico. There's the Puerto Rican flag. Ooh. So which one? Let's
That
go.
one?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Move, guys. Move, guys. Must- Because it's raining, right? Yeah, that looks nice. Come on.
This one.
So which one do you like?
This one.
That one? Oh, just buy two.
Yeah, it's okay.
Come on. Just get two, babe.
Okay. It still says Puerto Rico. There you go.
Thank you. Oh, there you go. Yan, siya yung pinapili mo eh.
I don't like this because if it falls, it's gonna break.